miles southeast of The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Chambers County in southeastern Texas, South Central Liberty County in southeastern Texas, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Old River-Winfree, or 10 miles southeast of Liberty, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hankamer and Wallisville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.